If you don't like spending a fortune but still crave adventure, then living abroad could be your ticket to an affordable paradise. Imagine waking up to the sound of the waves in Mexico or savoring a fresh croissant in a quaint French village. These dreams are within reach. Countries like Thailand, Portugal, and Colombia offer a high quality of life at a fraction of the cost in the West. In Thailand, you can bask in tropical beauty while your budget stretches further than you ever imagined. Portugal, with its stunning coastlines and rich history, offers affordable living in a European paradise. And Colombia? It's a vibrant mix of culture, coffee, and cost savings. Living abroad isn't just about saving money. It's about enriching your life with new experiences, cultures, and flavors. So, pack your bags and let the adventure begin. Affordable living abroad is not just a dream. It's a reality waiting for you. Where will your journey take you?